Welcome to English in a Minute. We all like to be treated fairly. But what about being treated squarely? Let's learn how to use the idiom fair and square.
Anna, where have you been? I lost you in the crowd.
I was playing games. I'm really good at carnival games.
I see that. You really want a lot of stuffed animals. Are you sure you didn't cheat?
No, I won them all fair and square, and they're all mine. All mine.
Fair and square describes winning something in an honest way and without any doubt. The expression is a fun one to say because it rhymes, fair and square.